Alright, Booze, here we go. This is going to be 2014 The Leaf Autograph Mini Helmet Football. One autograph mini helmet per box. Booze, good luck, and let's get to breaking. Chad, appreciate you joining us live here on Breakers TV as we've got a Miami Dolphins helmet. And it is going to be Paul Warfield. Paul Warfield, the Hall of Famer. Hall of Fame 83 inscription. There is the COA on the back of it. Try to get my light out of the view here for you. So cool, Paul Warfield autograph mini helmet. Congratulations on that one, Booze.